Chapter 3 Matrices Miscellaneous Exercise. Question number 1. If capital A equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, then by using the principle of mathematical induction, show that AI plus BA the whole power n equal to A power n into I plus n into A power n minus 1 into B into A, where A is the given matrix and I is the identity matrix of order 2, where and A and B are constant. We have to prove this statement by the principle of mathematical induction. What is the principle of mathematical induction? We have already studied in 11th standard. There are 3 steps. First step, we have to prove the given statement is for n is equal to 1. After proving n is equal to 1, then assume the statement is true for n is equal to k. Then prove that. Then third step, prove the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1. After proving the statement is true for n is equal to k plus 1, then we can conclude the given statement is true for all small n belongs to natural number. Let P of n is equal to AI plus BA the whole power n is equal to A power n into I plus n into A power n minus 1 into B into A. For n is equal to 1, AI plus BA the whole power 1 is equal to A power 1 into I plus 1 into A power 1 minus 1 into B into A. A plus A, anything power 1 is same thing. AI plus BA is equal to A power 1 is A into I plus A power 1 minus 1, A power 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. So BA. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, the statement is true for n is equal to 1. The statement is true for n is equal to 1. Let assume the statement is true for n is equal to k. N is equal to k. P of k is equal to AI plus BA the whole power k is equal to A power k into I plus k into A power k minus 1, k power k minus 1 into B into A. Assume this is equation number 1. See, wherever you got n, substitute k. AI plus BA the whole power k is equal to A power k into I plus k into A power k minus 1 into BA. Now, for n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1. P of k plus 1 such that P of k plus 1 such that AI plus BA the whole power k plus 1. A plus BA, AI plus BA the whole power k plus 1 is equal to A power k plus 1 into I plus k into A power k minus 1, A power k minus 1 into B into A. This is P of k plus 1. Now we have to prove this. Consider LHS. Consider LHS. What is LHS? AI plus BA the whole power k plus 1. AI plus BA the whole power k plus 1. A power m plus n is a power n into a power m into a power n. Like this, you can split into two terms. ai plus ba the whole power k into ai plus ga. A plus ba. Assume this is equation number 2. Assume equation number 2. Now substitute one into, in place of this we can write this a power k into ai plus ba the whole power k plus 1 is equal to a power k into I plus k into a power k minus 1, k into a power k minus 1 into b into a into ai plus ba. ai plus ba. This is substitute 1. A power k I plus k. Now we have to multiply. A power k into a power k. A power k into a power k. A power k plus 1. I into I square. I into I square. Plus a power k into I. A power k I into ba is b into a into I. Plus k into a power k minus 1 plus 1 into b into a. K into a power k minus 1 plus 1 into ba plus k into a power k minus 1 into b square a square. B square a square is equal to a power k plus 1. I square is I into I. I into I is again I only. I plus a power k into b. A into I is a plus k into a power k minus 1 k into b a plus k into a power k minus 1 into b square into a square. Now we will find what is a square. A is equal to 0 1 0 0. A1 0 0. A square equal to 0 1 0 0 into 0 1 0 0 0 is equal to 0 0 0. So you multiply, you will get answer. It is a null matrix. Multiply of A is a not a null matrix, but A square is a null matrix. A square is a null matrix. Therefore, this will become a power k plus 1 into I plus, take common here, a power k b into a power k into b into a is common. Therefore, this will become k plus 1. You got k, you got 1, a power k into ba plus, this will become 0. So, this will become k a power k minus 1 into b square is to 0. So it becomes 0. So you get the answer a power k plus 1 into I plus k plus 1 into a power k into ba. ba is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Now you have to conclude. Therefore, by PMI, by PMI, principle of mathematical induction, the statement is true for all n belongs to natural number. For all n belongs to natural number. Miscellaneous exercise, question number 2. If capital A equal to 3 by 3 matrix 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then prove that a power n equal to 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1 first row, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1 second row, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1 third row, where small n belongs to capital N, natural number. We are going to prove by the principle of mathematical induction. First step, let P of n equal to P of n a power n. A power n. A power n is equal to 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1, 3 power n minus 1. Right, in 3 rows. 3 power n minus 1, 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 3 power n minus 1 is this statement. First step, assume this, then prove for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. P of 1, such that a power 1. In place of n, to put 1. In place of n, in this matrix also, in place of 1, 3 power 1 minus 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 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, is equal to 3 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 3 power 0, 3 power 0 into 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 0. See, we know that anything raised power 0 is 1. So, 3 power 0 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is equal to A. See, A power 1 is A, so we got A. Therefore, the statement is true or n is equal to 1. Next, assume the statement is true for n is equal to k. For n is equal to k. N is equal to k. What is P of k? P of k equal to a power k. P of k equal to a power k. A power k is equal to 3 power k minus 3 power k minus 1, 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 3 power k minus 1. Assume this is equation number 2. That is P of k. P of k is a power k, which is equal to all this. Or n is equal to k plus 1. P of k plus 1 equal to a to the power k plus 1. A to the power k plus 1 is equal to 3 power k plus 1 minus 1. 3 power k plus 1 minus 1, 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 3 power k plus 1 minus 1. So, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, we will get 3 power k, 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 3 power k. Now we have to prove this. We have to prove this. Now, consider LHS is equal to a power k plus 1. A power k plus 1 is equal to a power k into a is equal to 3 power k minus 1, 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 k minus 1, 3 power k minus 1, 3 power k minus 1 into A. A is one given matrix. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then you have to multiply. Both are 3 by 3 matrices, both are square matrices, we can multiply. Is equal to first row 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1. 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1. Like this you will get all the 9 terms will be like this. 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1. 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1 plus 3 power k minus 1. We have to write details. Right. Then we have to add 3 power k minus 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3 power k minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 into 3 power k minus 1. 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 This is nothing but 3 power 1 into 3 power k minus 1. 3 power 1 into 3 power k minus 1 is 3 power k. 3 power k is equal to 3 power k. See, 3 power k minus 1 equal to 3 power 1 into 3 power k minus 1 equal to 3 power 1 plus k minus 1. This plus minus cancel, you will get to 3 power k. You will get to 3 power k. So, 3 power k, 3 power k, 3 power k. 3 power k, 3 power k, 3 power k, 3 power k, 3 power k 3 power k 3 power k, this is equal to a power k plus is equal to a power k plus 1. Therefore p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, the statement is true for n is when n belongs to natural number. Chapter 3, miscellaneous exercise, question number 3. If capital A equal to 2 by 2 matrix 3 minus 4 1 minus 1, then prove that a power n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n, where n is any positive integer. Any positive integer is a natural number. All positive integers are natural number. So now we are going to prove by the principle of mathematical induction. I already told that the principle of mathematical induction involves 3 steps. The first step, we have to assume the statement p of n, then we have to prove that n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, we have to prove that. From that, assume n is equal to k. After proving n is equal to k, then consider p of k plus 1. After proving p of k plus 1, we can conclude the statement is true for all n belongs to natural number. First, let p of n is equal to a power n is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 4n n 1 minus 2n 1 minus 2n, or n is equal to 1, or n is equal to 1. P of 1 a power 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 4 into 1 4 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 is equal to the given matrix A. Therefore, the statement is true for n is equal to 1. The statement is true for n is equal to 1. Second, let assume the statement is true for n is equal to k. Therefore, p of k is equal to a power k. P of k is a power k. Wherever you got n, replace k. 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k. We keep equation number 1 for p of k plus 1. Now, for n is equal to k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is equal to a power k plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 minus 4 into k plus 1 k plus 1 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. You remove the bracket, it becomes 1 plus 2k plus 2, 3k plus 2k, that is 2k plus 3, 2k plus 2, 2 plus 1, 2k plus 3, minus 4k minus 4, minus 4k minus 4, k plus 1. k plus 1. 1 minus 2k minus 2 is minus 2k minus 1. Minus 2k minus 1. Now consider LHS. What is LHS? A power k plus 1 is equal to a power k into a. LHS is equal to a power k. A power k is either 1 plus 2k minus 4k k 1 minus 2k into 3 minus 4 1 minus 1 then multiply is equal to 1 plus 2k 3 into 1 plus 2k 3 into 1 plus 2k minus 4k minus 4 first row first column then first row second column minus 4 into 1 plus 2k minus 4 into plus minus into minus plus 4k second row first column 3 into k 3k plus 1 minus 2k second row for the second column minus 4k minus 1 plus 2k. So simplify, you will get 3k 6k 3 plus 6k minus 4k minus 4 minus 8k plus 4k 3k k plus 1 this is minus 2k minus 1 further simplification you will get 3 plus 2k minus 4 minus 8k minus 4 minus 4k k plus 1 minus 2k minus 1 see got it 2k plus 3 minus 4k minus 4 k plus 1 minus 2k minus 1 is equal to your R. Therefore P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction the statement is true for all positive integer. Chapter 3 miscellaneous exercise question number 3. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is q-symmetric. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is q-symmetric. We already know in matrix chapter what is meant by symmetric matrix and q-symmetric matrix. When A equal to A transpose, then A is a symmetric matrix. When A transpose is equal to minus A, when A transpose is equal to minus A, then A is a q-symmetric matrix. When A transpose is equal to A, then A is a symmetric matrix. A is a symmetric matrix. Since given A and B are symmetric. Therefore, A transpose A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B. A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to A. Let C equal to AB minus BA. I am assuming AB minus BA is the matrix C. Now taking transpose on both sides. Taking transpose on both sides. C transpose is equal to AB minus BA the whole transpose is equal to AB the whole transpose minus BA the whole transpose. See, we got one since A minus B the whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now C dash is equal to, by reversal law, B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. Since B is symmetric, B transpose is equal to B. Since A is symmetric, A transpose is equal to A. Since A is symmetric, A transpose is equal to A. Since B is symmetric, B transpose is equal to B is equal to minus, take minus side, AB minus BA is equal to minus C. C transpose is equal to minus C. C transpose is equal to minus C means C is a skew symmetric matrix. C is a skew symmetric. C is skew symmetric. What is C? We apply that AB minus BA is C. Therefore, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. That is the AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Next question. Question number 5. Show that B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric. B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according to A is symmetric or skew symmetric. If A, we have to show that if A is symmetric, B dash AB is also symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, we have to prove that B dash AB is also skew symmetric. There are two cases. Case 1. Case 1. Case 1. A is symmetric. A is symmetric. Implies A transpose is equal to A. Case 1. A is symmetric. A transpose is equal to A. Let C equal to B transpose AB. Taking transpose on both sides. C transpose is equal to B transpose AB the whole transpose is equal to, by reversal law, B transpose into A transpose into B transpose the whole transpose. B transpose the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A into B transpose the whole transpose is B. Here, since A transpose is equal to A. So C dash is equal to C implies C is symmetric. C is symmetric. C is symmetric means B dash AB is symmetric. Symmetric if A is symmetric. A is symmetric. Case 2. Case 2. A is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric implies A dash is equal to minus A. A dash is equal to minus A. Then C equal to B dash AB. Taking transpose on both sides. C transpose is equal to B transpose AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose into B transpose the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into minus A into B. Why minus A? Since A is Q symmetric. Since A is Q symmetric. Therefore, C dash is equal to minus B dash AB is equal to minus C. Therefore, C is Q symmetric. Therefore, B dash AB is Q symmetric. If A is Q, therefore B dash AB is symmetric. If A is symmetric, B dash AB is Q symmetric. If A is Q symmetric, prove. Chapter 3, miscellaneous exercise, question number 6. Find the values of x, y, z if the matrix capital A 0, 2yz first row, x, y minus z second row, x minus y z equal to third row, it satisfies the equation A dash into A is equal to I. That is A transpose into A is equal to I. First we have to find A transpose. A transpose, just interchange the rows and column and column into rows, we will get A transpose. Multiply with A, which is equal to identity matrix, same order. If A is of order 3 by 3, we have to take the identity matrix of order also 3 by 3. Find A dash into A. A dash into A. First point A dash. A dash is equal to interchange first row to first column. 0 to yz. 0 to yz. Second row x, y minus z. Second column x, y minus z. X, y minus z. Third row x minus y z. Third column x minus y z. Then multiply with the A, the given matrix. 0, 2y, z. X, y minus z. X minus y, z. Equal to identity matrix I3. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the one. Then multiply this matrix. Row by column multiplication. First row, first column. 0 plus x square plus x square. 0 into 0, x into x, x into x square. First row, second column. 0 into 2y, 0 plus xy minus plus xy minus xy. First row, third column, 0 into z, 0, x into z minus xz plus xz. Second row, first column, 2y into 0, 0, y into x plus xy minus y into x minus xy. Second row, first column, 2y into y, 4y square, y into y, y square, minus y into minus y plus y square. Second row, third column, 2y into z, 2yz, 2yz, minus yz, again minus yz. Third row, first column, z into 0, 0, minus z into x, minus xz, z into x, xz. Third row, second column, 2y 2yz minus yz minus yz. The last column z square plus z square. Again z into z plus z square equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now simplify. So while adding we will get 2x square 0, here also 0, there is a 0, here 0, this is 6y square, this is 0, this is 0, this is also 0, then 3z square equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is of order 3 by 3. This is also order 3 by 3. There is a equal to symbol in between two matrices. Order is same. When two matrices are said to be equal, means the order should be equal and the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, equating the corresponding elements, a to a11, here also a11, 2x square equal to 1, x square equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, a22, 6y square equal to 1, y square equal to 1 by 6, y is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6, a33, 3z square equal to 1, z square equal to 1 by 3, z is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, y is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6, z is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3. That's all. Next question. Or what value of x? 1 2 1. The row matrix 1 2 0 2 0 1 1 0 2. A 3 by 3 matrix 0 2x. A column matrix is equal to null matrix. It is a 1 by 1 null matrix. Not 0, it is a null matrix. We have to find the value of x. See, it is a row matrix. 1 by 1 row and 3 columns. It is 3 rows and 3 columns square matrix. It is a column matrix. 3 rows and 1 column. It is a 1 by 1 square matrix. See, if you multiply, you can here 3 cancel, you will get 1 by 3 matrix. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore, this multiplication is defined. After this multiplication, this is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into 3 by 1, say 3 cancel, so we will get 1 by 1 matrix. So, this multiplication is defined. First we multiply these two matrices. First 1 into 1, first row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2 plus 2 plus 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 2 plus 4. Plus first row, second column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus this row third column 1 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. That's all the matrix. Into 0 2x is equal to 6 2, 4 into 0, 2, x is equal to 1 by 1 multiply 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 4x is equal to 0. 4x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 4 is equal to. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Miscellaneous exercise, matrix chapter, question number 8. If capital A equal to 2 by 2 matrix, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that A square minus pi A plus 7a equal to, it is not 0, it is O, it is a null matrix. So to prove that it is a null matrix. A square minus pi A plus 7a is equal to null matrix. I is the identity matrix of order this. This is of order, A is of order 2 by 2, identity matrix of also order 2 by 2. So substitute A square minus pi A plus 7i. A square is A into A. 3, 1 minus 1, 2. 3, 1 minus 1, 2. This is A square minus pi into A. 3, 1 minus 1, 2 plus 2 identity matrix of order 2 by 1, 0, 0, 1 is equal to, we have to prove that it is a, we have to prove it is a null matrix. Then multiply. Row by column multiplication. 3, first row, first column. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. First row, second column. 3 into 1. First row, second column. 3 into 1, 3. Plus 1 into 2, plus 2. Second row, first column. 3, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 into 2, plus 4. Minus, multiply 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 5 into 2, 10. Plus 7 into 1, 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. Is equal to 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 5, 3. Minus 15, 5. Minus 5, 10. Plus 7, 0, 0, 7. We can add the matrix. It is 8 minus 15, 8 minus 15 plus 7. 5 minus 5 plus 0. Then minus 5, minus 1 minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Then 3 minus 10 plus 7. 7. You see, it is 8 plus 7, 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 3 plus 10, 10 minus 10, 0. It is and school. Then question number 9. Find x if a row matrix x minus 5 minus 1 and a 3 by 3 square matrix 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 and a column matrix x 4 1 equal to, again previous question, it is not 0, it is a null matrix. null matrix of order 1 by 1. It is of order 1 by 3, 1 row, 3 column. It is 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 column. It is 3 rows and 1 column. Multiplication is possible. This multiplication possible gives 1 by 3 matrix. 1 by 3 matrix. From 1 by 3 to 3 we will get a 1 by 1 matrix. First to multiply these two matrices. First row, first column. X into x, x. Minus 5 into 0 plus 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Then first row, second, this row, second column. X into 0, 0. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Minus 10. Minus into 0 plus 0. This row, third column. 2x. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Minus 1 into 1, minus 3. Into this matrix. X 4 1 is equal to 0. Then this is x minus 2 minus 10 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8 into x 4 1 equal to 0. And multiply x into x minus 2 minus 40 minus 4 into 10 minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. This plus 2x minus 2x cancel. X square minus 48 equal to 0. X square equal to 48. X is equal to plus or minus root 48. This root 48 can be written as 16 into 3 or 4 into 4 into 3 is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3. X is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3 is the answer.